here at the Holiday Inn, Coralville, Iowa. We're going to take a room to room 114. Ooh. That card reader, some issues. Let's walk in. We have your grips or backpacks or luggage. Part. And that door goes into the closet, and the other door goes into the bathroom. And we'll show you a little bit. This right here is the king size bed. Very nice bed. With your blanket, with your pillow. Here's a nightstand with your lamp. With the good book and the phone book. The Holy Bible. Over here we have your flat screen TV with your remote. And over here to your left is desk with your alarm clock. It's got the correct time. It's 11 p.m. And we're on a hotel telephone. And a mirror, hi or hello. Over here we have your refrigerator and freezer. Very clean. And the microwave was safe. Yet the bowl is very, very still needs to be cleaned, but go back in there. Close this microwave up. And over here we have your nights. We have your air conditioning units with your heat and cooler and high. And the fan is very, very, very clean. But there's the other one, and there's the other one as well. Here's your view of right next to the Hampton Inn, whereby Star City filmed during the last Corona before the Rona road trip video back in 2020. Go check out the road trip video, like part 1 through part 4. Alright, now let's go check out the closet. This is your standard hotel closet with your iron board, with your iron, with your hangers. Alright, now go check out the bathroom. I'm going to open this door up. This right here is the standard hotel bathroom. There's a sink. You have a mirror. Hello. Standard hotel sink. Hot, cold. It's above, underneath the sink. The pipes, they're very, very clean. Here's a toilet. Center flush. They're very, very clean. And over here, we have your bathtub with your shower head. you're with hot, cold, nice waterproof, nice for shower head. Cold, hot. Close this door up. Right, let's take one more look at the room. One more thing is with your coffee maker in the morning, with your coffee, with your ice. All right, now let's take one more look at the room. So what do you think of this hotel room? This hotel was built in the 1960s. Probably this hotel was built in 1967. This hotel was built in 58 years. So that being said, thank you for watching. That is all.